Here's a new 2026 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. It comes with great features you'll love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Cadillac, second to none. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today